In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. Connecting Monday.com to Mailchimp lets you move contacts automatically, trigger email campaigns based on updates, and cut out manual exports. Before we start, make sure you're logged into both platforms and that your Monday.com board has clear columns for key details like email and name. If possible, use the email column type for email addresses to ensure smooth mapping later. First, head to your Monday.com workspace and open the board you use to track leads or signups, such as a board called Trial Management. The integration works at the board level, so pick the one where each item represents a person or a record you want in Mailchimp. It helps to tidy up your columns now, confirm which column holds the subscriber's email, and decide if you'll use other fields like first name, last name, or tags. Next, look to the top right of your board and click Integrate to open the Integration Center. This is where all available apps and automations live. If you don't see the option, you might need permission from your account admin. Once it opens, you can browse or search for the app you want to connect. Keep your goal in mind. Are you adding subscribers when items are created or updating audiences when a status changes? Now choose Mailchimp and pick a template that matches your workflow. You'll see ready-made recipes, such as adding a subscriber to a specific audience when a new item is created, or updating a contact when a status changes to a particular value. Select the template that best fits your process. You may be prompted to connect and authorize your Mailchimp account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After that, set the audience you want to use in Mailchimp, then map your Monday.com columns to the corresponding Mailchimp fields. Be sure the email field maps correctly, since that's essential for creating or updating subscribers. If the template includes tags or status-driven actions, choose the tag names or status values that make sense for your campaign organization. Before you rely on it for real data, do a quick test. Create a sample item on your board or change the relevant status, then check your Mailchimp audience to confirm the subscriber appears as expected. If something doesn't look right, revisit the mapping and field types and confirm you selected the correct audience. You can also open the integrations activity or logs in Monday.com to troubleshoot, and that's it. Open your board, click Integrate, then select Mailchimp and the right template. With this in place, your contacts will flow automatically, keeping your marketing aligned with your team's work.